Mounting kit for this Jetta 2010 is 95 9011B, meaning it's a doubled in just like so. You got the right side DDRX, meaning it's the right, and the left side. You just slide it in and use the screw that came with the, if it's a new radio, just use those two screws and be careful inside there. You see how close that is? So the wiring harness I'll be using is VW9003. So with the 9003, you got the red wire right here. You want to hook it up to this one. It's the number 2 is ABS. You want to hook it up on the bottom, or you can buy this adapter for it. So here's how I wrap right there, and just plug it back. Make sure this is on the bottom. So if something happened, it just pop the fuse instead of burn up something else. Now for the wiring, you want to hook up this red. See how the red's got its own fuse over here too, but I'd rather have this one and then that one over there in case something happened. The radio I'm installing is NASA, so every plug is different, but the harness for the radio right here just matches all the color right there. You got white, you got purple, and then you got purple black. The one with the stripe, the black stripe, is negative, and then you got the yellow is 12 volt. You also need to hook up the blue wire for the amp turn on. Other than that, you just plug it back in. And but if you want to figure out how to remove this, there's a T20 right here. You want to remove that first. You want to pop vent off right there using a flathead or something. And then you got screw right there, and then you can lift it up a little bit like here. You don't have to take everything out. And take the T20 over here and here and there and there, and just put it back in. So I got this T20 in on all 4 of this on each side, and then now just lift this thing in and put the Yep, it works.